Okay, so we're just going to apply some flux, making sure there's no bits in it around the outside edge of the pipe. Once you flux the pipe, slide your fitting on, give it a little twist, you'll see a bit of excess flux around the outside. Then the other side, I've already cleaned this, so a bit more flux around the outside there. And then pop it in and give it a twist. Okay. We're going to heat the joint using propane, and I'm going to feed in some lead-free solder. A little dab, almost there. Little dab, and I'm feeding it in at the back here, out the way. If I feed it in from the front, you'll see a big loading point and a lump at the bottom. You just get rid of the lump. And you see the difference from feeding it in on both sides. I fed in the back here, you get a silver line. You feed in at the front, you get a large loading point, but on the back, you'll get a silver line. That's an end feed joint, straight coupler.